Hello, my dear students. I expect you are very fine, and I am also very fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. My dear students, today I am going to take a digital class. I want to discuss about the narration. My dear students, now I am going to discuss about the narration. So today the topic will be narration. I am writing the topic. Follow my dear learners. Narration. Narration, my dear learners, today topic is narration. At first, my dear learners, you have to know what is the definition of narration. That means what is called narration. Narration is a thing what the speaker is expressed is narration. After the definition of narration, my dear learners, you must know about the kinds of narration. How many kinds of narration? Narration, two kinds. One, direct narration, and two, indirect narration. I am writing the kinds of narration. Follow me. One, direct narration. One kind, direct narration. Two, indirect narration. My dear learners, already you have known how many kinds of narration. Two kinds of narration. One, direct narration. Two, indirect narration. My dear learners, now you will know what is the called direct narration and indirect narration. Direct narration, direct is a narration which is expressed directly is direct narration. Indirect narration, indirect is a narration which is expressed indirectly is called indirect narration. The direct narration and indirect narration. My dear learners, if I give an example of direct narration, you can realize properly. Follow by dear learners, I am writing the direct narration. He said to me. He said to me. I am fishing in the river. This is the example of direct narration. My dear learners, he said to me, I am fishing in the river. There are two parts. There are two parts of the direct narration. Now you have to know how many parts of direct narration. So we can say there are two parts of direct narration. One, reporting verb. This is the reporting verb. Two, reported speech. This is the reported speech. So it is reporting verb. It is reported speech. My dear learners, now what is reporting verb? What is reported speech? Reporting verb is a part of direct narration which is out of inverted comma. This is the reporting verb. Reported speech is a part of direct narration which is including in inverted comma. This is the reported speech. So we can say this is the reporting verb and reported speech. So you have known and learned how many parts of direct narration. There are two parts of direct narration. One, reporting verb. Two, reported speech. This is the example of direct narration. Now you have to turn into the indirect narration. Indirect narration will be he told. He told will be told in lieu of said to. He told me. After reporting verb will be subordinating conjunction. After reporting verb will be subordinating conjunction. Conjunction that. After subordinating conjunction will be reported speech. Reported speech. This subject of reported speech will be dependent of the subject of reporting verb. Subject he. Reported speech I. Same subject. So subject of reported speech will be dependent on the subject of reporting verb. That means subject will be he. That means he and I same person. So the subject of reporting verb must be priority. After subject will be verb am. Present form will be past form because reporting verb is past tense. So reported speech will be past tense. Was. That means I am fishing in the river. Present continuous tense. When I will turn into the indirect narration, present continuous will be past continuous. So he was fishing in the river, river. Reporting verb, subordinating conjunction that reported is which he was fishing in the river. This is the indirect narration. My dear learners, you can come into the indirect narration in this rule. My dear learners, if you practice more and more at your home, you can turn into the indirect narration, no problem. So, you have to practice more and more in this way. You will be perfect in making the indirect narration and knowing about the narration. My dear learners, thank you. All the best.